Hey everyone, I had a lot of fun in the last video doing a backtest for that orb retest strategy that goes for 3R and figured let's do some more. So even though it's out of order, I've got just enough OCD to have to do January, even though we just did February. After that, we'll jump up to March and we'll be back on track. A quick refresher for the rules. We're looking for price to trade outside of the 15-minute opening range. Once it does, we'll set a limit order, which is a type of pending order, at the midline of the opening range. We'll use the far side of the opening range as a stop loss, and we'll set a reward that is 3 times our risk, or 3R. If our order isn't filled by 11:30 a.m., we'll cancel it. We've got 1 bullet per day on this strategy, so that's just 1 trade, win or lose. Speaking of win or lose, I haven't seen the numbers for this combo of time range and risk to reward setup, so we're finding out together. So let's dive in. You probably saw as I was doing the refresher for the strategy that this first trading day in January is a loser. So Happy New Year! And let's just go on to the next day. Looks like the next day ends up being a loser too. We break out here. Our order gets filled. Stop loss is over here and gets hit here. It's okay. We expect that when we're chasing a higher reward that we're going to have a lower win rate. So that is okay. This looks like a day where we just won't get tagged in. Yeah, we break out here, but then never get tagged in, unfortunately. So, Shane? Oh, it would have been a loss, so it's actually lucky that we didn't get tagged in. On to the next day. This is a unfortunate no tag. Yeah. As we go further and further in January, I do have to say that I know a lot of people that kind of run mechanical strategies or, close to mechanical strategies. January was just an awful, awful month. There was just so much turmoil in the market that it was just negative months for basically everybody running mechanical strategies. So if January ends up being negative, that's okay. We do remember that February was a 12-hour month, which definitely helps offset things. So unfortunately, we've got the first few trading days of January here, the first week, I think it is. We've got a few losses racked up, but that is part of the trading game, unfortunately. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3 losses so far. That's okay. We just keep going. We break out right here. And then let's see if we get tagged in over here. Nope. Close, but not quite, unfortunately. Oh, fortunately. Or no, yeah, unfortunately. We would have won this if we got tagged in. But that's okay. That's okay. Cool. And we're back. That's the glory of replay mode. Have to do some fun stuff. But hey, look, the next day is seemingly a winner. Yes. This wins with authority and with some speed here. So, yeah, right off the bat, we get out of replay mode and, yeah, we get a nice winner here to compensate for basically the entire month so far. So we tread on to the next day, see how we do. This looks like another possible winner. We break out right here, so the order gets placed right here. Stop loss more than covers that retracement. And we win it. Beautiful. Oh, we gotta make sure we mark it. Okay. So on to the next day. All right, so this breaks out and then doesn't retrace during our window. It retraces over here. I'll draw it out, but should hopefully be able to see here. Yeah, so this does not come back in time during the 11:30 window. That's okay. So this is a no trade day. All right, we've got a bearish breakout here. And it looks like price does come back to fill our order. And let's see if we make it. Yeah, we do. Nice. All right, so there's another one. All right, let's go to the next day. Okay, 9:30 to 9:45. We have a bearish breakout right here. Even though it's just a wick, we're just staying mechanical. And let's scroll over to the end of the session over here. Nope, this is a loser. It's okay. And I think we're up on the month so far with those couple back-to-back winners, but let's see. Looks like we have a no trade day here, I think this is. Yeah, this looks like a no trade day. It's okay. Happens. Yeah, we get our breakout here, and then we just never get filled. But that's all right. Move on to the next day. See, so we break out here. Draw our entry there. Do we get filled? Not during the session. Oh, we do get filled during the session, which I think, yeah, ends up being unfortunate. It's okay. It's part of the game. I think we end up, the bus leaves without us on this one. Yeah, we break out here and then never see a fill, unfortunately. It's okay. Move on to the next day. Just got a couple more trading days in the month of January. We break out right here, and we get filled. Ooh, we stay alive. So this will end up being a winner, it looks like. Yep. There we go. With plenty of room. Beautiful. All right. Let's mark this down. Okay, we move on to the next day. This looks like a loser. That's okay. Definitely can't win them all, especially when you're chasing 3R. So, that's fine. Let's keep going. Check out the next day. Oh, let's see if we get tagged in during the session here. See if we get to participate. We break out right there. Our entry goes here. Stop loss at the bottom of the range. TP at 3R. So we get tagged in right at the end of our session. Looks like it ends up being a loser though, unfortunately. So that's okay. Again, I think that we're still very close to being up on the month, if not, like we're break even at worst, I feel like. But let's see. Oh no, this ends up just being a stupid little liquidity grab, unfortunately. So price breaks out. We place our entry. Just stay mechanical. It's okay. Take a loss. That's a frustrating one, unfortunately. But it's okay. Mechanical strategy. Let's see how we do here. We break out right here. Sorry, let's keep zooming in. So we break out right here. Let's drag it down to 3R. There we go. Yeah, we get it after hours here. Like during lunchtime. It's good. Take it. Definitely helps. We just had a few losses. So the month is definitely balancing out, if not like coming ahead, I feel like. I'm excited to count this afterwards. This is a loss. Speaking of excited to count things. Yay. So it's another loss. Whatever. OCD. OCD, like I said. Yeah, is that the end of the month? Last day right here. Yep, that was the end of the month. We don't get tagged in here. Yeah, we break out here. And then never see a tag. Yeah, okay. So let's count it up. We'll hop up to the 5 minutes so we don't need to play with replay mode at all. Everything before this line is January. Everything after is what we did in the last video. So let's count it up here. Okay, here's the first one. We got 0-1, 0-2, 0-3, 1-3, 2-3, 3-3, 3-4, 3-5, 4-5, 4 and 6, 4 and 7, 4 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 9, and that's it. It is 5 wins, 9 losses for the month, which at 3R is 15 minus the 9. That's 6R or 6%. That's not a bad January for everyone basically having a really crap mechanical January, like a really crap month for every mechanical trading strategies. 6R is not bad at all. Then February goes on to be 12. It's pretty good. So thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and a comment, maybe a subscribe. I look forward to March coming out real soon after this. So thanks. Have a good one.